Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Zoho Books, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a user from your Zoho Books? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete or remove an admin from your Zoho Books anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your assistants decide to go another way, so you need to remove admin access to your Zoho Books. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho Books dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoho Books, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to remove admin or team member access, you need to click on this gear icon here on the top right. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to look for this section here called users and roles and click on users. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the admins or team members that you have in your Zoho book. So just scroll through until you find the person that you would like to remove access to. So for example, this one, and then you just want to click on the gear icon next to their name. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see more information about that admin or team member. And in order to remove them from your Zoho Books, up here on the top right, you want to go ahead and click on these three little dots. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click on delete. Okay, once you click there, you're going to get this warning that once you delete this admin or this user, they're not going to have access to your Zoho book unless you re-add them again. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on delete. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that admin or the team member has been removed, so they no longer appear on this list and they no longer have access to my Zoho book unless I go back in and add them once again. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete an admin or a team member in your Zoho book, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.